You're going to want to just log into Twitter with your normal login credentials. You're going to go over to this top right corner and you're going to click on it and you're going to scroll down from the drop down to the Twitter ads option. We're going to start by going over to the Creatives tab and we're going to go down to Media. This is going to take you to your media library, and this is where you're going to have all of your images, videos, GIFs, those kinds of things. Going to click Upload Media, select the image or video that you want to add, and it'll upload into the system. And once it's done, you can actually just create a tweet with it by clicking this little box, adding in the copy that you would like, and then hitting tweet. Another option would be to hit promoted only. Now, if you don't hit promoted only, the tweet's going to immediately go to your organic profile for all of your followers to see. But if you hit promoted only, you're essentially making a dark post that will only be served to people once it's added to a campaign. So we're going to make this promoted only tweet. We're going to hit tweet, and that's going to get added to our tweet library, and it's going to be selectable when we build the campaign. We can also create a card with this image. So what we're going to do is go to the Creatives tab, go down to Cards, and we're going to hit Create Card. In this case, we're going to want to make a website card. Going to hit Website Card. We're going to select our image, and in this case, we can actually just drag the image in, crop it as much as you like, and then we're going to put in a headline. This is going to be the copy that's going to grab the attention of the user and really make them want to click over to your website. And then we're going to click the URL, add it in. And then we're going to just name the card. This way you can reuse it again and again and you can easily find it. So for now we're just going to call this card 1. Hit create. And now the card's been created. From here you can preview what it will actually look like when it's served. Or you can click this and add it to a tweet. Now it's important to know that cards operate separately from tweets. So after you've made a card, you're not going to be able to use it in your campaigns until it's been added to a tweet. So here, we're just going to do exactly what we did before. We're going to take the tweet copy, and we're going to make sure to click that promoted only box again so that we're only going to be serving this once it's in a campaign. From here, everything looks good. We've got our image, we've got our headline, and we've got our copy. We're going to hit tweet, and now we've created a promoted only tweet. Now you can find these tweets by going Creatives, Tweets, and here filtering for promoted only tweets. There they are. And now they're ready to be added to a campaign.